just filmed a via, and here's another one. Huh. Get a better footing though. Vaya! It's a via. It'll be really something when Via Rail gets some new rolling stock, let me tell you. Holy cow. I wonder if some of the employees... Look how stupid that is. Did you see that? Why would you need to have 6 lights on a fucking car? Jesus Christ. I was just saying to myself what a stupid world this has become. My God. Okay, I just checked the signals going westbound 2 minutes ago, and they were all red. So I don't know if it's coming from... trains coming from here, or it's coming from there. Oh, it's coming from here. Right in the light I wanted, but I think it's probably a via though. Oh, don't things look pretty going in the snow, eh? Via. A long one, must be coming from TO, Toronto. Oh yeah, look at all that snow and ice, wow. What tabarnak. Oh, I gotta run and get that a little closer to that. Especially with all that construction going on there by the Highway 20. Whoa, daddy. Definitely not coming from Ottawa. Look at that, looks like a fucking ghost train. Holy mackerel. Whoa, daddy-o. That was definitely worth coming here, even though, of course, I always wish to get a freight, but still. There are always exceptions to the rule. Look at that. I gotta get a picture of that. Fences? We don't need no stinking fences. We've got the snow coming down. We'd have a yellow clear to stop. Bright lights. Rush hour evening, and I believe I hear a freight coming, or heard it just about a minute or two ago. I'm hoping. I do believe. Oh, it's a Via. Zut. Oh well. It'll be a freight eventually. Oh, clouds mean for good lighting at night. Yeah. Dual engine power. Ooh. You hear that? Get the fuck off the bridge, stupid people. Ooh, it's coming down now, man. It's like lake effect snow, man. Look at that. Look at that light. Right on. Timing is everything. I've been here half an hour and it wasn't like that when I got here, man. It just wasn't snowing. Dull, cloudy skies. Now it's just gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Better be a freight, man. That's 2 Vias I got now. Need the freight. Not gonna get warmer as the season progresses, you know? Oh man, that's like eerie, eh? Man, I think it's a Via. That's a Via. I think. I don't know what the fuck it is. It looks like a BC Rail locomotive. Yeah, it's a Via again. Jesus, Murphy. Fuck. Okay, next train for sure is going to be a Via. Freight, I mean. Has to be. Not that I don't like Via, it's just they're predictable, you know? They won't last as long either. Oh, almost dropped the ball there. Here comes the train. Here comes the Via. By the way, have you guys, every time I come here, it's always a Via I get first. It's almost never a freight. On a smoggy day. By the way, have you guys seen the new Via train concept there from Siemens? Oh boy, I'm not that impressed, I have to say. Instead of going with their traditional blue and yellow and you know, green or yellow and gray, they went with like fucking gray and like practically black and yellow. It's just enough said. Yeah, Via. Let's see if I can get the signal though. Early run. Yeah. Funny how the green signals, they never show up as well as the red. What's up with that? Anyway, what's up with that? Rue de Courcelles. And it's raining pretty good, fortunately. Is it a V? I'm not sure about that now. Yeah, yeah. Oh, major gap there in the rails. Oh snap, it's got the observation car. What? Whoa. That's weird to see that twice in a year and to just have a month. Holy cow, that's cool. Oh, that's strange. As soon as these lights and all that went on, the fucking song switched on my MP3 player. That's kind of weird. Tell me it's a freight. I got no luck with freights, man, today. Nope, I don't think so. Or is it? Yeah. Nope. Nice though. Yeah. Come on, focus. Shit. Now, this is tricky, man. Another Via? Holy shit. What the hell are the goddamn freight trains? Boy, that diesel sounds good, eh? Right between this humongous old tree here. Let me show you how big this goddamn thing is. Okay, goddamn thing is the wrong choice of words, but look at that. That is not young.